the bottom-up approach to Confucianism is really more in keeping with the spirit of those texts. And it's really, in a sense, how far do I want to go? Say it's a more genuine Confucianism than the top-down variety. But maybe not everyone will agree with that. My students are always surprised when we come upon the lines, don't do to others what you wouldn't want done to yourself. Sort of the golden rule expressed in negative terms, instead of do unto others as you would want done unto yourself. But even though there are people who will argue there's a difference there, I don't think there is. It's a basic principle of ethical reciprocity, putting yourself in the shoes of others, which is very similar across a variety of different philosophical and ethical systems around. So in some ways, yes, there are points of similarity, but then the elaboration of that in certain ways and the alignment of certain ideas and the cultural expressions of that are what's unique about Confucianism.